Bye, Brampton!
New chapter ito.
Huh? Hey, Luna, you know we're moving to the new house today? Okay, are you ready? Makain ng karyoka. Sobrang gulo na. Ito, mga wala ng laman.
Ay, ayaw eh. Saan yung papelta? Nakailan na?
Tinan mo. Dito kami natulog na mga 3 gabi dahil binaklas na namin yung frame. Ayan siya. So, sobrang kalat namin. Ako po. Show me your feet. Oh my God. Luna!
Dami laruan ni Luna to.
Yep.
Jump pack. Buti na lang si Kuya Renz nandito. Kung kami lang ni Jackie, iyak.
Oh man, nakalain mo. Ito siya. This is a 15 feet U-Haul. Oh, diba?
Ang importante, mahalaga. Nasaan na yun?
Ayan, mahiwagang TV. Pinalot na lang ng comforter. That's the old house, not new house. Say bye.
$700.
That's old house nga eh. Ikaw talaga. That's the old house. Grabe. We're more than halfway through the U-Haul. Yung iba, dito na muna. O, gising pa tong bulinggit na to. Yung pa din ang suot. Say hi! Say hi, vlog!
That's why men rule the world.
Konti na lang. Oh. Nagbuhat din ako Oh, nagbe-break lang ako dahil para makakuha ako ng video. Ito naman to, magpaparinig na naman to.
Ang mga babae, puro picture lang yan, pati video.
Tingnan mo.
Mga lalaki talaga kumikilos.
Sabi ko na eh. Grabe. Hulaan nyo sino ang mag unpack ng sabihin mo ng 90% ng mga to. Ay. I don't know how long it's gonna take me. Siguro I'll do 3-4 boxes a day, no?
Fine.
Ang hirap. Ang hirap. Ito upuan ko ngayon, no? Yung foldable chair.
Foldable chair.
Say foldable chair.
Foldable. Look, it's in my dad.
What's this?
It's Sally.
Your cherry. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, Spot Pinoy.
Oh, good, so good. You said hi, Spot Pinoy. Oh, you copy Mama in my vlog.
Yeah.
What is it? What do I say?
Hi, guys. I'm not going to meet Nina.
Hello. Sabi ni Mark and Rice, ikaw daw yung aabangan nila sa vlog ko. At hindi ako.
Diyan lang kayo.
We're going to Walmart dahil nasira yung aming Keurig, yung coffee machine namin. My gosh. Hindi ako pwede nang walang pangkape. So, first time ko rin mag-Walmart in Windsor. Si JJ sabi niya, so, konti lang tao lagi, no? Hindi tulad sa Brampton, my gosh. Na sobrang dami laging tao kahit late na, kahit pasarado na, laging dami pa rin.
Ito, pagpasok mo pa lang, makikita mo na, from parking lot pa lang, you will have the feel of, oh, this is a peaceful one.
Okay, so baby is at home with Mama Be, yung lola. Nakatulog lang kami buong hapon dahil sa pagod sa nakabuhat buong hapon dahil sa nakabuhat hanggang what time tayo inabot? Like 2:30 in the morning. So yung kapatid ni JJ, by the way, kinailangan ba naman ibalik kung saan namin pinick up yung U-Haul? Nakakainis tong U-Haul na to. We requested for a drop-off here in Windsor. Hindi sila pumayag.
Walang available.
O, walang available na unit for drop-off daw. Meron daw kung gusto namin pick upin sa Muskoka. Oh my God, that's 3 hours away.
So, the cost got doubled.
Oo, so dodoble. Tapos buti na lang yung isang agent na tinawagan ko na nagreklamo ako. Kasi ba naman sinabi nila sa amin a day before. Sabi ko buti sana if you gave us more time para makapaghanap ng ibang...
Parang marami to ngayon. Ng
ibang truck. Siyempre hindi na. Binigyan na lang kami ng parang compensation na $50. Ika-credit back. Tapos,
instead of $89 per kilometer, they put it down to
60 something.
60 something.
So parang
tulong na rin.
Nakatipid kami, tipid ko no, ng mga, nabawasan din ng mga 200 maybe, less than, 200 something. Ito ng Walmart. This is yan. This Walmart is bigger than the one we have in... Anong intersection natin na may Walmart? Kennedy and Steeles mismo. Yan.
In search of...
Naawa sa akin si JJ dahil ni YouTube ko. Ginawa ko lahat ng nakita kong YouTube tutorial sa pag-ayos ng Keurig. Tsaka, we only bought that second hand. So, it's time. Okay.
Ano to? Ba't 34? Hindi. Wrong.
Buti na lang. Mga naka-sale. Or Nespresso. Alam mo, I'm not even sure kung pwede yung mga Keurig pods natin sa Nespresso.
Alam niyo, nakapalit niyan.
Tira mo na, sale pa kunin namin, no? From 84 to 54. Not bad. Ito na lang. Okay na. we're done. Ipapa-uwi ko din sa mga kapatid ko tong salami. Favorite nila yan. Okay. Excuse. Magulo pa rin. Pero nabawasan na yan siguro ng... Nakailang boxes din kami kahapon. Siguro mga 5, 6, ganyan. Okay. Ako din nag-screw ng mga... Itong sa table. Tulog pa si Bebe. JJ worked already. He'll be back mga 3 p.m. Ito na ang aming bagong coffee maker. I just get the Kirkland brand. Kailangan extra bold. Gusto ko talaga matapak na kape. Tagal. Oy. Ang bagal lang ng drip nito. Look at our deck. And there's a backyard, a small backyard. Ito talaga reason why we wanted to, get a house para may space for Luna to play outside. Yun nga lang, malamig na rin, Sana ma-maximize pa ni Luna. The past couple of days, it's been, umuulan ng konti, drizzling a little. So, ayan, kailangan pa namin din i-trim yung sa backyard. Alam mo, ginupit na raw yan nung pinagupit na ng agent ng itong may-ari ng bahay. Pero ang dumi pa rin, hindi malinis yung pag-cut ng grass. Ano pa yan? Bato. Yan. Dito pa naman mga gamit namin. Tingnan mo. We just left them outside. Kako kung may magka-interest dito, o kunin na lang din nila. Dahil sobrang dami namin gamit. Our van's still here because JJ just walked to work. As in, ang work niya, yung corner na yan. Kakanan lang siya dyan. Medyo nandyan na yung part na ng office nila dyan, ng work nila pala dyan. I think it's just a 10-15 minute walk. Hi. We have a big tree outside our house. Yung mga nakatirang ibon dito There was a red bird yesterday eating a grasshopper. Diba? It's so quiet. Kumpara sa pinanggalingan naming apartment sa Brampton. Yan lang.
Ako muna magve-video ngayon. Wala si Ina. Nagre-record ng episodes ng Spot Pinoy. 2-3 blocks away lang tong park sa amin. At may kasama ako. Come. Ang laking park. Dati, this was Ford testing truck. Ford testing truck. Kalaro ka dyan? Nandito kami ngayon sa dulo ng Canada dahil ang tawid nito ay Detroit, Michigan na. Tubig lang pagitan. Yan ang Detroit downtown.
Yeah, day 4. Oh, medyo nababawasan na yung gamit dito sa sala. My in-laws also just left. Okay, so kaming oh ba? Okay. So, yeah, konti na lang. Sa ko kaya pwede lagay itong bike? Oh my gosh. Akala mo naman, mahilig mag-bike.
Mama,
Mga 5 beses pa lang yata nagagamit. Yan, mula nang binili. Yes, baby. Okay. I think somebody's gonna be here soon, Luna. Who? Huh?
I don't know.
Oh, I think you know who's coming. Tignan yung reaction nito pagdating ng tatay niya. Hold on.
Hold on.
Ayun si JJ, kaka-park lang.
Open the door.
Hmm?
It's open the door.
Open the door?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Let me see if Papa's already coming back. Let's see. Hold on. Excuse me. Excuse me. You don't even have your slippers yet.
Where?
There. The pink one under the lights. Go.
Under the light?
Go. The pink one.
Okay. Mama. Stop. Open the door.
Huh?
Don't
Don't open. Oh, other way around, baby. Other way around. There you go. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Yes.
Go. Wait, don't jump like. Hold on. Wait, but come.
Okay.
You miss me?
Yeah.
Where's Wawa and Gaga Equidaren?
Yeah, I don't.
Where are they? They left?
Yeah.
Hi, Popsy. Okay, tignan mo yung gulay. So, one of our neighbors, biglang kumatok. Actually, kumatok dito sa sliding door namin. Hindi ko nakita yung mother-in-law ko nagbukas. Dito siya, galing, ayun, may alley kasi dyan eh. And we actually have a parking slot there for one car. Anyway, galing siya, I think 2 houses down. At binigyan kami ng, Jay, tingnan mo yung binigay. Tanim niyang cucumber and tomatoes. Oh, lalaki ng
Don't smell
tomatoes.
my puwet. Hey, don't smell my puwet. Wait, it's nice.
Diba? So nice. And she said it's because she can't eat them by her, kumbaga masyado siyang maraming harvest. So, she shared some with us.
Bumawi yan.
Ha?
Bumawi.
Because?
Tinurayan niya sa araw eh.
Because JJ parked his car a few days ago sa tapat ng bahay niya na medyo...
Sobrang close sa driveway. Truck pala hindi na drive nila. Kaya pinagsabihan niya ako na so tight daw yung parking ko. Ang laki ng truck nila.
So, pero mabait.
Maayos naman nagsalita.
Yeah.
Maayos ko
She was nice about it and JJ apologized and said it
Yes.
won't happen again. Pero feeling ni JJ baka na guilty siguro kaya binigyan daw kami. Okay, time to cook.
Di na. Kailangan tayo sa labas na. Babe, after lunch, wala na kami.
Be careful. Okay, we're going out for lunch dahil hindi ako nakaluto. Mas maaga dumating si JJ.
Pero hindi nakasama. Pero hindi nakala.
Dami pang gamit sa labas, so...
I see some flies. Mama, I see a fly in the stairs.
You see a fly in the stairs.
Ano, yard
Dami
sale?
pang gamit,
Yard sale
pero
na to,
tingnan mo,
yard sale na yan.
kulit nito. We put them there. Babe, si Luna. We put them there pagdating namin. So, ilang nights na sila nandyan. Oh. So far, wala pa naman nagkaka-interest. Diba? Daming pwede kunin dyan kung sakali mang may gusto, no?
Mama.
Go to your car seat, please. Where? You wanna wear it?
Yeah.
Can I see? Oh, buffet. Chinese buffet.
Excuse me.
Late na kami kaya walang tao. Tsaka, well, it's midweek.
I'll put it here.
Okay, you're gonna go with Papa to get food, right? Okay.
Okay, wait. There's meatballs. You like meatballs?
How many?
How many?
Just one?
Let's make it two.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or what else do you want, Luna?
There's potatoes you like?
Or you want noodles?
There's more noodles there. Alright, so you want noodles? What you want? This? Vegetable noodle.
Say hi. Nakatulog na si Luna in the car on the way home after eating because napagod rin siya sa Walmart. Ang dilim. Wala pa kaming couch. Huy. Antok na rin. Okay, I think I'm ending this episode here. We'll tell you more about the house when it's cleaner. Sorry talaga, sobrang gulo pa namin. Our visitors just left today, so I guess bukas pa lang talaga ako makaka-focus sa pagliligpit. In the coming episodes, maybe I can show you the upstairs. Again, dilinisin ko muna tong lugar namin. Ano pa ba? Yeah, that's it. Jay, say bye. Suplado, antok na kasi. Okay, bye.